If I am elected, the first thing I would attend to is what many others have done before, and that is to tell the amazing story of the Presbyterian Church USA and its ministry here and abroad. Too many hear only the internal war stories, the rehearsing of the things that divide us, the cries from a church that seems to have lost its way. But Christ's ministry is being carried out, and Christians are busy with giving cups of water, wrapping people against cold and storm, binding up wounds, holding the hands of the dying and the imprisoned.
Freda Gardner was the first woman to have a regular faculty appointment at Princeton Seminary. She was the only woman on the faculty for 9 years and the first woman tenured by the seminary. She organized and co-taught with me the first course at the seminary on women. She was a tireless advocate for racial justice, women, church educators, and the then closeted LGBTQ community. She served as professor of Christian education for 31 years. President McCord referred to her as the conscience of the faculty.
After Freda retired, she was persuaded to run for moderator. It took some doing. She agreed only when friends convinced her that her candidacy would promote the recognition of women leaders and Christian educators. Colleagues in Princeton and from the Association of Presbyterian Church Educators organized her campaign, though she refused to call it that. She was too diffident to promote herself. Freda was a hero in the world of Christian education, but she was not well known in the wider church. She won the election for moderator by the honesty and graciousness of her answers to questions. Questions about the difficult issues facing a divided denomination. She stood for integrity, said one person who was present. This was the voice that commissioners wanted to hear in their congregations and presbyteries. During that year, Freda's special focus was those who had been marginalized in church and society, especially children. Dare we come as children come to Jesus, she asked, as they are, wise, wistful, damaged, anxious, ashamed? The motto for Freda's moderatorial year was the emblem of her whole life. Do justice. Love kindness. Walk humbly with your God.